Okay, trade report for Monday, September 14th. Right out of the gate, I bought Sprint Nextel. There was a Deutsche Bank buyout rumor. So I bought right when it opened on the first dip around 420. Actually went up to 428 there because I had a little gain, but I held on. And then I bought some more at 428. I added. It looked like we were going to break out here. I had a sell target of 538. Didn't happen. It started selling off a bit. And there's some news came over the audio wires that Deutsche Telekom denied any rumors, and so I thought it was going to plummet. So I sold out at 422 for a small loss, 2-cent loss, and then it bounced back a bit and then ended up down on the day. But that one was basically a waste of time. I just sat around with that one doing nothing. SPPI was an alert from Crack in the trading room that there was a buy rumor going on, so I bought in here at 731 and I sold at 742 just in here. There was just some chop going on, and it's just a quick news play. I didn't know whether to believe it or not, so I just took my 11 cents and moved on. EDAP is my long-time favorite here. I sold a third of my position Friday. Today went up and tested 5 again in the morning. It started out kind of light and slow, and then it burst up here on some volume. Went straight up from 450 to 498 on this 5-minute bar. Pushed up to 510 and then didn't hold it and melted down all day. The way this thing trades is just frustrating. Daily it's still holding on. I mean, you can see the flag still holding. It's actually looking not bad, but it's testing my patience. So I sold out of it today at the close. So I sold out right here at 465. So I made a smaller profit on this one, the last 2/3. But at least my money's freed up, and I could watch this thing daily and day trade it. I just hope it doesn't get bought out overnight, because I'm out. MYRX was another news play. I bought in here. I was looking. I heard the audio news. I couldn't get the ticker symbol. And then a guy Andy in the newsroom gave it to us, and it was. I had a 530 order ready to go, and it just rocketed up. And I bought actually 605, and then I sold 633 on the spike here. So quick gain there, and then I bought again at 685. Thought it would pull back and move on a bit. Didn't happen, and then I added at 550. I had some chances actually to get out here with a decent gain. This spike here, I was actually out of the office, so I missed that. It still held its gains. This news is good. It's an HIV drug. On a daily, you look at it, this is clear air. It broke out. The targets the analysts have on this are, I think, $18 or $18, and the mathematical target price on this through FinViz is $14.50. So we'll see if there's any follow through tomorrow. But I'm still holding a swing in that as we speak. And it's up a little bit in the after hours, so at least it didn't sell off more. It's going. And I played dries today. You can see dries went above my resistance spots. Why I took that one off. There was one that's right here at 710 was my previous resistance one. We broke through that, so I raised it to the next one, which is about 740 roughly. If you look at the daily, it's looking good. All these big up days with big volumes that based here for quite a bit. It's held its ground between 5 and around 650 really. It's breaking up out of this range, just above its 200-day moving average now. And if the economy is turning and things are getting better, then this stock will benefit. So, and it's a big momentum play too. So, but I just played this like 3 or 4 times in and out, just scalping. Didn't take much, like 7-cent moves each time, right from 7 on. Just took a little moves out here. I didn't watch earlier in the day. What else did I play today? Oh, I played OSTK. This was a news play as well, and I bought in here kind of high to start. I bought it at 1240. It was over here actually. I bought it on the first spike, popped up a little bit, and I sold out here. It's very thin, and I just didn't want to be stuck with a dog, and so I sold out for flat. I got in at 1240 and sold out for 1240 at 2 different chunks. And sure enough, I don't know what happened here, if there was news or something, it just ripped up a buck from where I bought it, pulled back down, went below a big rip, and then back up. This thing's just wild. But there was some opportunity there, but I was not in it. Just moved on. ABK I played today. This is I have a smaller swing position in this, so I added huge today just to play the day trade. And I bought it at 172. This is before Obama's speech. During his speech, it hit 180, and I sold at 176 when it looked like it was going to dump. It actually went back up and tested and finished right where I sold it. About one, actually it's a penny below 175. So it was a quick day trade. Made some money on that. And that's really it. That's all I did today. Some other stocks of interest were Zoom. I have no idea what's going on with this. Apparently this is a Chinese cell phone maker, and there's some type of deal going on where they acquired somebody. But basically this stock went from a couple of weeks ago from $1.50 to 14. From Friday from 4 to 14. So big momentum behind there. I didn't play this at all, just watched it. It's kind of, you're always afraid you're going to buy this at 10, it's going to plummet to 5, you're going to lose big money. But it just kept going up and held its ground actually. So keep your eye on Zoom. That's really about it for today. Just a lot of news plays and a lot of biotech for me. Missed a bunch of energy plays and some more solid plays, but biotech's been hot, and that's where I've been focusing my attention.